Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, welcome if you're new. My name is Rachel and I'm a reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today I have a 90-day update for us. This is on the Anthropologie secondhand box from Helpsy source. So if you want to see what sold and if I actually made a profit on this box, definitely stick around. So this box, I didn't actually even order, honestly. I ordered, they had at the time a Anthropologie new with tag box, which was the brand T.LA, I believe. And they sent me this instead. So when I opened it up, it was all secondhand, and I'll link the original video down below. It wasn't what I was expecting it to be. The price difference was only like $20. So I figured I would have ordered this box eventually. I was just going to keep it and see how it did. And then they refunded me the difference between that box and this box, which was 20 bucks. So I kept it anyway. So today I'll share with you what sold, what I still have left. And at the end, I'll talk about if I did actually make any money on this box and if I would order another one based on my results. If you like reseller content, do consider subscribing to my channel. I do lots of unboxing videos here on this channel. And I always come back 90 days later to let you know my actual results of that box. Hit the like button if you find this content helpful, and let me know in the comments down below if you have ever ordered this box or considering it and how you did, or if you think I'm gonna have made any money on this. So let's get into it. I paid for this technically $288 after the refund, $268. Bringing my cost $6.27 per piece. I received 43 items in my box. 4 items I did not list, so I listed a total of 39 items. Of those items, 16 have sold, 23 remain. This box, this 90-day update is a little bit overdue, so there are some eBay sales I don't have screenshots for, but I'm going to do the best I can to show you what has sold. And then afterwards, I'll talk about what I still have left. I'm not going to show you every single piece. There were a lot of basics in this box. It would get redundant if I went over every single piece as far as what I still have left. And at the end, I'll give you my final results. So in order of lowest profit to highest profit over here, I'll put on the side. The first one is a tank top by the brand Sundeh, S-U-N-D-E-H. Never heard of it. But anyway, it was a $9 Poshmark sale, sold by offer. So I ate the shipping cost on that one. So that one actually, I gave it away and I lost $3.33. But at least I recouped a little money off the box. The next one up, I'm not gonna have a screenshot for, but it was you're not missing anything. The brand was Deletta, and it was like a peplum t-shirt, and it sold on eBay. It took 2 months, but it sold on eBay for $10 whole, plus the buyer paid the shipping. Then there was a white ribbed one shoulder tank top. I also don't have a screenshot for this. This sold on eBay actually within 2 weeks. It was an $11 eBay sale. So don't have a screenshot for that. This next one I actually do have a screenshot for. This one sold on eBay. It was the Pilcrow orange button-down shirt. This one was new with tags, but it was a size small and it was like an odd shape in my opinion. So it was hard to photograph. Somebody eventually offered me $11 on eBay and I did go ahead and take it. So not a super huge sale there. Then there was the Cloth and Stone chambray top. Debatable if Cloth and Stone is an Anthropologie brand. I don't think it's just sold at Anthropologie. It might be sold at Anthropologie, but not only Anthropologie, like not an Anthro brand. I don't really know. But this one was a $15 Poshmark sale. This one I also don't have a screenshot for because it was on eBay. $16 eBay sale. You're not missing anything. It looked exactly like the other Deletta peplum black shirt I don't have a screenshot for. And it was very, very similar. Like the fabric content was a little bit different, but otherwise it was basically the same shirt. There's a pink striped t-shirt from Deletta as well. This one was an $18 Poshmark sale. Here's another Cloth and Stone piece. At least the Cloth and Stone is selling, right? Maybe it's not an Anthro brand, but people are still buying it. This was an $18 Poshmark sale. This one sold by offer. So I ate the discounted shipping on that one. Then there were these Pilcrow high-waisted green shorts. These were actually a Kitizen sale. I love Kitizen sales because Kitizen takes a very low fee. But these sold for $18.15 on Kitizen. I have $18.15. They probably sold for like $23 or $24. And then Kitizen is always free shipping. So the $18.15 is minus whatever I paid to ship those, couple dollars. Then there was the Maeve lightweight wrap front sweater. This was a $19 Mercari sale. These took almost 5 months because we're behind. This took almost 5 months to sell for $19 on Mercari. Since I haven't filmed the video yet, I'm just going to go ahead and add it in. Trust me, it's not going to help all that much. There was a tank dress from the brand Dolan. This was an eBay sale, so I don't have a screenshot. This sold back in June. But it was a $20 eBay sale. Then we had the moth blue fringe sweater. This one coming up on the fall time did sell on Poshmark eventually for $21. There was the Gloria crochet turtleneck sweater. This was a really nice substantial piece, but honestly, it was not in the best condition. It wasn't stained, and it had a lot of wash wear. Like, it definitely was not in new condition or like new condition at all. Not that I was expecting it to be, but I only ended up getting $22 for it, which I think is fair considering the amount of wear that it had on it. But this one sold on Poshmark, $22. Last three, we're getting to the top here. There was the Charlie and Robin short sleeve sweater, and this was very Y2K to me. This was a very old piece. And I listed it with the tags Y2K and all of that. And it did sell on Poshmark for $25. This one also took about 5 months, but it did eventually sell. I had the pleated high waist khaki pants. These were just the Anthropologies. The brand was Anthropologie. These took about a month, but they did sell for $27 on Poshmark. And not surprising, the highest sale out of this box was the Pilcrow granny cardigan. I definitely tagged grandma cardigan or grandma something in this one. And this one really sold quick. It got a lot of interest and sold really quick for $52 on Poshmark. This one was only listed about a week. But that's all the sales. You would think after like almost 5 months, because I'm super behind, you would think that like there would be more sales out of this box. But no, I delisted and relisted everything eventually just to help it along. The more substantial pieces in this box, which you'll kind of see, are sweaters. So I was hoping maybe there was a fighting chance to like get some sweater sales in there, but here's what I have left. And I'm not even going to go over everything because a lot of it's just basics. So I'll go over the bigger stuff. I had this Leafs Daughter short sleeve tan blazer. This thing, I mean, I don't see people wearing these. This is like not even, it's dated and not in a good way, in my opinion. Then the Cloth and Stone romper, again, more Cloth and Stone. Nice piece, but still here. The Holding Horses sheer plaid top. I always thought this was a good brand, a good Anthro brand, like one that I should pick up if I'm out thrifting. But there were 2 Holding Horses pieces in this box and neither one has sold. There was this neon green mock neck sweater, and I think this one is actually a substantial piece. I think it's really interesting, but it is a size extra small, so I haven't sold that one yet. Then there is the Saturday Sunday ribbed sweater dress, and this one has actually had a lot of, or a decent amount of interest. No takers yet though, unfortunately. The Maeve sweater, beautiful sweater. I wish this was in my size. I would totally wear this. But this one is still here. Then we had the I don't know how to say that. Cartonier. The gray linen pants. And I thought these were really unique too. And these did get some decent interest as well, but no takers. Then the Pilcrow jeans in a size 31 petite. Nope, still here. the Leaf Air yellow polka dot ruffle skirt, you know, and I can't blame the skirt. I can't sell skirts to save my life. So the fact that this hasn't sold, I'm not going to take it personal because skirts just don't sell for me. I don't even know why I try. I have a whole box of skirts and things go in, they don't come out. If they do come out, it's because they go to thread up like every single time. There was a pair of Tallulah dress pants, which I think y'all told me Tallulah is not a Anthro brand. It's a Revolve brand. Reformation? Revolve? I don't know. Not Anthro, but whatever. Still haven't sold them. There was a Sleeping on Snow sweater. Again, I'm hoping I can sell this off here now in the fall, now that it's getting cooler outside. And that's really it. There's a few others. There's more tank tops. There's a few other basic dresses, but definitely less than half has sold. So my results, they're not great, in case you haven't guessed. I paid, even after my $20 refund, $270, $268, $270 for this box. My profit, negative $18.96. So I have not yet made my money back. I'm in the hole $19. So based on the results of this box, would I buy another one? No, absolutely not. In fact, probably what I'm going to do, because all of these basics and stuff are not getting any attention. If you've noticed, back here behind me, I don't know if you've been watching my videos lately, like I have so much inventory coming in, I need to get rid of some of this stuff. And a lot of this has not been selling, so it's probably going to thread up, except for maybe a couple of the sweaters that I think have a fighting chance in the next couple months. I got to move this stuff. I'm bummed that it didn't work out. I will say it kind of confirms the suspicion. Is it a suspicion? The fact that not all Anthro is equal. You know, if I'm out thrifting, I'm not picking up every single Anthro piece I see. I'm picking up select pieces. And I think a lot of these Anthro pieces are the pieces that I would not have picked up. Again, maybe some of the sweaters I might have, but especially not for $6 plus a piece on some of these basic tank tops and stuff. And I can tell you, as far as the way that Helpsy sorts, they don't necessarily pay attention to whether it's a basic tank top or a substantial piece like a sweater or a dress. It goes completely by brand. Now, that being said, based on the results of this box, I would not order another one. However, knowing what I know about Helpsy's sort process, and it's very luck of the draw and very much possible that the next Anthropologie box, if I were to order another one, would be completely different assortment of brands, completely different assortment of items. There is a chance that not every box is as bad as this one because of how it just depends on what they get in. And they have a list of brands, in my opinion, that might need a little revision based on the fact that some of these were not Anthro brands or not exclusively Anthro brands. But all they're looking at is the brand. So I think it's possible that you could still order this and still get a decent one, even though mine was not. So yeah, that's where I'm going to leave this one. I'm glad I finally got the update off my chest. I feel like I've been like dreading doing this one because I knew it wasn't great, but here we are. We're done. You know the results. So let me know in the comments if you haven't already, if you've ordered this box. I definitely want to know. Maybe yours was better than mine. Maybe it wasn't. Let me know. I know this box gets ordered pretty frequently because whenever it goes live on their site, it does tend to sell out pretty quickly. So somebody out there has it. One of y'all has it. Many of y'all have it. I know you do. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you want to see more unboxing videos, more 90-day updates. That's what I'm here for. That's what I love to do, what I love to share with you. Hit that like button on the way out if you could, if you haven't already. That really helps out my channel. That's it for this one, friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.